Zoom Cloud Meeting app voice and video cracking problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can fix voice and video cracking problem after update of Zoom app. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, here you can see if you join the meeting and you are facing some problem like cracking the voice or cracking the video, then what you need to do here, because this is because the latest updated version of Zoom, so what you need to do, you have to first uninstall this application from your device. Okay, so let me just show you. You can see here uninstalling Zoom. So now what you have to do, you have to go to Chrome browser or any of your browser. So let me just go here, and then here you have to search for pkmirror.com. Okay, so now you have to click on search button, and then your interface will be like this. So it depends upon the network how much time it will take. So let us wait and see what you have to do here. These problems occur due to the latest updated version of Zoom app. So what you need to do, you have to take back your old version Zoom app. So how to take, I'm gonna show you in this video. Please watch till then, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon of my channel. So guys, you will find this type of interface here. So what you need to do, you have to click on the search bar on the top. You can see here, simply click on the search bar, and then you have to type Zoom. So after typing Zoom, you have to click on go option, and then here you can see checking your browser before accessing apkmirror.com. So you will find the old version of Zoom through this application. So guys, you can see here, you will find the old version, you will find all the version of the Zoom. So what you need to do, you can download the old version from here. So let me just go for this 5.2, this one or this one, you can go anyone. So let me just go for this. Click on this download sign on the bottom, and then here this type of interface will be pop up on your screen. So here you can see available APK bundles. So what you need to do, you have to scroll down and make sure to click on this 552,000 second option. So simply click here, and then here you can see this type of interface will pop up. So scroll down here, and then you will find an option download APK. So simply click on this download APK option on the application on the. So now here you can see your download is starting. So you have to wait until it gets download. You can see here, click on OK, and then it's on a downloading process. Okay, so after downloading, you have to go to your file manager here. So after going to file manager, go to APK, and then here not install. So here you can see this is the oldest version of Zoom. So simply install this on your phone, and then it will stop cracking your voice and video on Zoom application. I hope this video will absolutely help you out guys. So if you like the video, please give up one thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let me just show you. You can see here guys, this is the Zoom. So thanks for watching.